So guys, Key Life Trading, thanks for tuning in to another video. Happy Monday, and I'm ready to trade. So you already know the vibes, you already know the energy. So this is a live recap. Well, not recap, this is a live video, I should say. And we got like, what, 2 more minutes to the market open. If I find a setup, then you already know what it is. I'm looking at ATXI, look like it want to rip at market open, but we'll see. So 2 more minutes. We'll lock in and see what happens. BRB. So market is about to open. I'm getting prepared to trade ATXI. So recently ATXI been doing very well, and you can see a lot of buying pressure here. So it went from what, a low of 10.21 all the way to $15.10. So it looked like we got some momentum into this one. I know a lot of people is going to anticipate this move, and I shall partake. Hopefully it works in my favor. We got some resistance at 15.10. Let's see. I'm jumping in. Can we get that push? Okay. So my fill was 14.26. So let's see what we can get from here. Let's get this momentum. Can we get this push? Can we? Spread is ridiculous. Let's get that push. Come on. The spread is ridiculous. I want to see us get this squeeze. Come on. Up 3, 4, 6. Can we break that 15, 20? Yes. Let's see if we can try it again. Come on, let's get that snap. I want to see that 15 break. We hold. Very whippy. And the reason why I'm holding is because this, you can get a real nice move, right? So let's see if we can get that buy and just ride it along. We had a false halt on the downside. Previous reverse split. Just reading level 2. But also I'm not fully talking right now. Focusing, trying to focus. Can we get back over 14? Can we get some buy-in? I think what's going on right now, some people probably taking some profit. Can we get back over 14? If we can get back over 14, I think we should have enough strength to retest that $15 area. Can we get over 14? Got some resistance there at 14. I believe if we could snap over 14, we can possibly get that retest over 15. Well, I went to a high of 1545, high 1545. And we could possibly see this rip. Will we gain some support at that 1290? Get some selling. I do think we have some support down there. I think we got some support down there. So my entry was a little bit high. Wasn't in, well, I got a bad feel in a sense, but let me mark where I got in. 1420, somewhere around here. Right there. I think there's still some support here. I think if we can get a break over VWAP, we'll retest my entry, potentially go back up to 15. Can we get it? Got a big seller at 88. Big seller at 70. I thought as soon as it retests that high of the pre-market, it was gonna snap and just continue going. But can we hold these levels? It looked like it wants to hold these levels. So the level I'm looking at is right here, like the 1280, 1280, 1285. And VWAP is 1370. I think that's why we got that resistant pushback down. Can we break that 1370? Big seller, come on. Can we reclaim that VWAP? Okay. Got some momentum. Reclaim 14. Can we get some more buyers? Can we? Okay. Nice. A lot of resistance up there. Hopefully we can get some more buyers to push it up. Come on, let's go. 50. Okay, let's go. Look like we're getting some more buyers. Trying to push it up. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. 15, take that out. Rejecting at 15 a little bit too. Should be getting the momentum to break it. Come on. Break the 15. Yes. Come on, let's go. And I'm going to take that. 800. 800 on the day, guys. I'm back in the zone. And now it's going to flush that 15 up there. That 15 is very top heavy. And that's why I took it, because I'm like, okay, this is struggling with ATXI. When it reach a certain point or area, it should snap. But it might continue, but I took my profit and I'm gonna look out for other entries. All right, so that's that's it for the video, guys. If you guys want to see more of this, like, subscribe to the channel. And if I see more people liking it, I might extend the video to trade longer. So I'm gonna continue trading, but this is just a video for my viewers that want to see how I'm doing making my trades into growing my small account. But anyways, enough of the talking. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. It's Key Life Trading. It's Key Life Gang. You already know what to do. I'm out. Peace.